I'm Reverend Sharon Renae, and welcome to today's daily meditation for peace. And this is part of our peace series, and it is called Relational Peace. And the topic is loving with boundaries. So I invite you to go to a sacred, quiet space to put away all distractions. And when you're ready, join me and we'll get started. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and gently release as you close your eyes and allow your muscles to relax. And let's take a deep breath in, going to soul center, tapping into the light. And on the exhale, allow this light to expand through your body and your mind, illuminating all that is, and exhaling it into your world. And let's take another deep breath in, going to soul center, merging with that loving light, tapping into the love. And on the exhale, see the love and the light flow through your body, healing the mind, the soul, and the body, and expanding that out into the world around you. And let's take one more deep breath in, tapping into the stillness, the peace that is there. Merging with the love and the light, exhaling the peace, the calm, the serenity, the love, and the healing out into the world. And if you've been stretched thin, if your heart feels overextended, this moment is for you. So just finding your normal breath, breathe in steadiness, breathe out overwhelm. And with each breath, come home to your soul center, a place where peace and clarity reside. Boundaries are not walls, they are invitations. They invite respect. They create room for true connection. Love without boundaries often becomes resentment. But love with sacred clarity, that's where the freedom lives. That's where truth flourishes. Setting a boundary doesn't mean you love less. It means you are loving wisely. You are honoring the divine within yourself and others. And affirm, I love with clarity. My boundaries are sacred and kind. And one more time, I love with clarity. My boundaries are sacred and kind. Now imagine yourself standing in a field of soft light. And around you is a gentle glowing circle, not a barrier, but a blessing. A space that holds your energy with care and grace. And see yourself interacting with others from this space with no guilt and no fear. Just love rooted in truth. This is what a loving boundary feels like. May your boundaries be guided by wisdom, not fear. May they protect your peace and deepen your love. You are worthy of sacred space. And see how the people around you lovingly respond to your boundaries. And you notice that they too have boundaries. And yet there is space for love and understanding and honoring the individual all around. Give thanks for this recognition. Give thanks for these boundaries. And allow yourself to become aware of the present moment. And taking a deep breath in, letting it out, wiggling your fingers and toes, allowing your head to move around on your neck, taking a deep breath in, feeling the peace, knowing that love still survives with boundaries. Bless yourself for allowing yourself to hold them, and bless others for the boundaries that they hold, honoring and respecting both. And when you are ready, bring yourself to this moment, to the present, knowing that boundaries are sacred and a way of loving oneself. And have a beautiful day. Namaste.
May your boundaries be guided by love and held with grace. This meditation, Loving with Boundaries, is part of our Relational Peace series, created to help you honor your sacred space while staying rooted in compassion. As you return to your day, carry this truth with you. You can love fully and still say no. You can be kind and still be clear. You can protect your peace and still walk in love. To explore more meditations and soulful tools for spiritual clarity, visit us anytime at spirituallycentered.org. And until next time, take a deep breath, stand tall in your truth, and let it be well with your soul. Copyright 2025, Reverend Sharon Renae. Produced by Rick Lowe.